Yo, what's going on everyone? It's Superstar back with another video, and for today's video, I'll be making hard-boiled eggs. So, the first thing that you obviously need to do is you need to let your stove preheat, and you need to use a pan for this. So make sure that it is on low since it's only preheating. You have to turn it all the way to the number 8 as it's preheating right now. Next things next is you get some water. I probably might need some more water than that. So like a full bottle of water. But not too much, so that way the water doesn't get into the fire. Now, next things next is you get as many eggs as you want. I'm most likely only gonna do one egg since this is experimental. And you throw it in slowly because you have to wait for it to boil a little bit. Next thing that's gonna happen is I'm gonna be using this little spatula to move it around, and the egg is going to be boiling for a good 6 minutes so that way it can be soft boiled. Since I was super hungry, I decided to do more than one egg. Okay, everybody, now that it's ready, I'm going to put this into a cold temperature water to stop the cooking process. To stop the cooking process, I'm gonna get some ice. I'm gonna put the eggs back in. And we're gonna leave them there for like a good 2 minutes. Now that it's been 2 minutes, I'm gonna put the eggs back into the plate. I'm sorry, everything is messed up right now, but I'm gonna show you how to properly eat the soft-boiled egg. So first, you need to crack the shell, just like that, and some yolk is supposed to come out. And you're supposed to suck some of the yolk. And with a spoon, you take out all the egg. So it's supposed to be like very runny like that. Mm. You're supposed to scoop everything out with a spoon. Mm. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend if you're trying to be on a good diet.